flooded. My phone absolutely exploded at 3 a.m. A main pipe burst in apartment 4B, my prime unit, turning the whole place into an actual wading pool. My first thought? Pure panic. Insurance deductibles, angry displaced tenants, months of lost rent flashed before my eyes. Seriously questioned if I was even cut out for this whole property management gig. It felt like drowning, literally and figuratively. But okay, deep breath. Instead of just calling my usual plumber, I remembered this emergency restoration company someone mentioned. Called them. They were there in under an hour with these insane industrial dryers and dehumidifiers. Got the tenant calmed down, used my, thankfully existing, emergency fund to get them into a short-term rental nearby immediately. Constant communication was key. Yeah, it cost money. Yeah, it was stressful, but we got the unit dried out and repaired way faster than I imagined possible. The tenant was actually impressed with the speed and moved back in without complaint. What did I learn? Having specialized contacts is gold. That emergency fund isn't optional, it's essential. And clear, fast communication can salvage even the craziest situations. This business isn't just collecting rent checks. It's navigating constant chaos, unexpected disasters, and human emotions. It forces you to think on your feet, find solutions you didn't know existed, and become way more resilient than you thought possible. You don't just manage buildings, you learn to manage the unexpected. And mastering that chaos, that's the real investment paying off.